Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly the key general shortcuts that you should know in Microsoft PowerPoint in 2026. So these are the shortcuts that help you create the slides faster and present like a pro. So if you want to save your time and work smarter, these are the shortcuts that are must to learn. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So first of all, you need to open your PowerPoint document. Now, once you do this, the first shortcut key that we have here is Control plus M. So once you press Control plus M on your keyboard, you will notice that it has added a slide in the left hand side. So basically Control plus M is the key that is going to help you to add the new slide fast in your PowerPoint presentation. Then what you can do is, in order to present your slideshows immediately, you just have to press the F5 key on your keyboard, and it is going to start creating or presenting your slides immediately. When you hit Shift plus F5, it is going to start from the current slide, and this particular option is perfect for practicing the transitions. Now there are some of the keys that are going to help you to basically copy and paste your text faster. So first of all, you just have to select Control plus A, then you just have to press Control plus C in order to copy the text. After that, use Control plus V in order to paste the text over here. Similarly, if you want to duplicate your text, you just have to first of all press Control plus A in order to select the text. After that, select the option of Control plus D in order to duplicate that particular text. And this is going to basically duplicate the repeating design layouts without breaking any kind of flow. You can just simply undo if you have made any kind of mistakes by pressing Control plus Z. You can just redo it by pressing Control plus Y on your keyboard. So these two keys are also helpful in saving your time when you have to move a cursor or resize goes wrong. Now you can also use the bold, italic and underline keys as well. For that, simply select your text. Then when you press Ctrl plus B on your keyboard, your text will become bold. When you press Ctrl plus I on your keyboard, it will come as italic. When you press Ctrl plus U, you will see an underline underneath your text. So this way you can use these particular shortcut keys. These are useful general PowerPoint shortcut keys that you can use in 2026. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.